All right, welcome to today's lesson 4.3, multiplying decimals by a whole number. Here's my first problem, 5 times 2.5. I'm going to use the distributive method, and I'm going to break this 2.5 into two parts. So what that means is I'm going to do 5 times 2, that's my first part, plus 5 times 1/2. And you can see my 5 is still multiplying 2.5 because if I add 2 plus a half, 2.5, 2.5. So this 5 is going to be multiplied against both. 5 times 2 is 10. I'm just going to do what's in the parentheses. 5 times 1/2. Well, what's half of 5? 2.5. And now I can just add that together, and I get 12.5. You can see how that 5 has been distributed to the 2 and to the 0.5. 5 times 2.5 is 12.5. Okay, hold on. I'm going to do one more problem. All right, so I have this problem, 37 hundredths times 4. Well, I don't like that it's in the, horizontal alignment. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to change it to a vertical alignment. Just moving it from sideways to above each other, no problem. So now what I've been saying in class is we treat this like a regular multiplication problem. So I'm just going to start here. 7 times 4 is 28. I'm going to regroup that 2. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14. Regroup that 1. 14. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. Now here's where the magic comes in. These are two powers of 10 that are decreasing. It's smaller than 1. So I count up the amount of decimals that's in this problem, and there are 2 decimals. So I just say, well, there's 2 decimals. There are 2 decimals, and what I do is I say, well, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to move my decimal over 2 times. 1.48, or 1 and 48 hundredths. 2 powers of 10 right here, smaller than 1, so that means my decimal needs to move over to the left 2 times. My answer is 1.48. I hope that helps. Have a great night.